fucking knew it. Holy fucking shit.
I don't trust him, I trust you.
And this stupid bitch is just gonna keep going?
Then why are you not doing the thing which I am telling you to do? Why are you not doing that?
Because I need to understand what's going on.
Let's be serious, man. Talk to me very seriously. I'll talk to you very seriously. Let's talk about money now, okay? Let's talk about your money, not my money, not any person's money. Let's talk about your money. It's your money, and we will safeguard your money, okay? The mission is to safeguard your money. Okay?
I kind of feel like the king of drama is live stream fail. Live stream fails.
Why do you feel like this, man?
He doesn't hear me talking right now. I'm just kidding. He doesn't hear me. Okay, so my question is, if we want to safeguard this.
Again, one more question.
Yes.
One more question.
Yes.
Again, one more question.
Yes. If we want to safeguard this from Daniel and the hackers, shouldn't I just keep all the money at my house?
I want to call the motherfucking feds on that guy.
Alright, at your house. As we have seen that there is some fraudulent activities going on all over the United States, there might be a server.
You mean like a pool? Like a pool?
I saved that.
You mean someone cleaning my pool? I'm allowed to have as much money as I want in my house. I can have as much money as I want in my house. I'm a sovereign citizen of the United States of America. My father can always money.
That's crazy.
They don't even know.
No, how is he not gonna notice that the fucking...
I'm never gonna die from him.
That the motherfucking